I got some fender flares from my Ram 1500. See? Well, I washed it the other day. Well, I noticed there's starting to get a little rust here, but don't look at that, see? I'm going to clean that up. Don't look at it. I'm going to clean that up real good. Put these big fender flares on here. There's 4 of them in here, of course. Instructions. I don't need no stinking instructions. A bag of rivets. It's going to have rivets all along, you know, you'll see. And like a gasket, screws. It's supposed to take like 3 hours, but we're going to see how long it takes. There's one of them. And that's the front one. But it's going to be nice. Plus I have mud flaps on here. First I'm going to remove them. I don't know if I can put them on at the end, but I hope I can. I'll let you know. Okay? So we're going to go up then. I might have some help putting these screws in. I don't know how many there are. We'll count them. Rivets all along the edge, you know. Stainless steel. Alright, that's what I'm going to do for a couple hours. I'll show you some clips here and there. Hopefully the weather's nice when we get out here to do it. Hear the birds? Want to buy a truck? Truck for sale. I'll show you at the end. I'll like it then. Alright. Then I'm going to need wheels and tires, right? Alright. Let's start screwing. So I brought these inside, put the bolts and nuts on. It's a little chilly out right now this morning. Ooh, looks big, doesn't it? This is the rear. The rear have 10 holes and the fronts have 7. So you take your bolt and a washer, put it in the hole, put the lock nut on the back, 10mm wrench, and on the front is a 5mm Allen screw. And just go around, lay this down on a table or something, tighten them up. Alright? When they're done, they're going to look like nice rivets. And then they look like this. It's more for looks, decoration. You can buy them smooth, but I like it like that. Looks mean. Alright, let me do the other ones, and then hopefully it'll get warmer out and I can go out and put them on the truck. So now I got this big roll of weather stripping, all one piece, nice. Split it, put it on here, all along the top. Start down here, go up around the corner. I know the light isn't great here, but you know what I'm doing. Get that in there. Pretty easy. It's better if you have it laying down on a workbench or a table, but I'm just showing you quick. Put it on there. Then they give you this tool. Comes with it. And you just slide this along the channel. Make sure it's all in there nice and flat. You'll see it. Unless yours don't come with a tool like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that to all 4 of them. And it's still cold outside. It's only like 42 degrees. I'm not going out there yet. Maybe even wait till tomorrow. I don't know. Like that, see? It's going to be nice. Next time I see you, maybe I'll be outside. Time to eat! Here we are at the truck outside. I have aftermarket mud flaps on here, see? You might not have that, but if you don't, you're going to have a factory mud guard there, which will have 2, either 8 or 10mm. I believe mine are 8. Sometimes they're 10. So take those off and then remove 1, 2, 3 screws. They look like 8mm too. So that's going to be easy. Let me take them off, clean this up a little bit. Taking off the mud flaps. Mud flap. Jackass. One, two. Trees hombres. CC top. Look, it's done. Remember what it looked like before? Did I show you how I did it? I forget. I just got on a roll, you know, like toilet paper. I just kept on going. Now I'm gonna wash and wax it. It was pretty easy. It took me about 8 hours because I went to eat, went to the store, but it probably would have took 2 to 3 hours. I like it. Truck for sale. Book value, private party value, 80,000 miles. Okay? Or trade me for a 55 Chevy or a 59 Cadillac or something like that. I need bigger tires and wheels, that's for sure. You like it? Hey! Alright, talk to you later. Bye.